started operations on the Northeast store back in 2016. Back then, we didn't have any funding. It was just a clear idea, determination, and the willingness to figure things out. Today, we've built something solid with a very good customer base, a strong team, and we are growing year over year.
We have been running Eurotech Private Limited for 6+ years. And last year we have crossed 18 lakhs plus in revenue. It has been a steady growth, not just in sales, but how we have expanded, reached new markets, and built a stronger customer base. Every year we have grown, and now we are ready to scale up even further.
Our vision has always been to go beyond just local reach. We've built the foundation, now it's about scaling up, expanding into the new market, improving capacity, and also strengthening our brand. We want to create more jobs, adopt better technology, and also build something from Meghalaya that stands out anywhere.
When you've built the basic, the next step is about scaling with the right exposure and backing. It's not just a competition, but it's a platform for businesses like ours to reach to a wider audience and also to connect with people who can help us grow and really unlock the next level.
The Megapreneur Startup Challenge is a statewide search to find the top 5 startups that will represent Meghalaya at the grand pitching segment of the Megapreneur Expo 2025. It's a unique challenge for startups to showcase what they've built, get real visibility, connect with investors, and take their business to the next level.
If you want to participate in this statewide search, here is what you will need. You need to be a resident of Meghalaya. You should be adult Indian citizen. Your business should be registered as a private limited company or about to register. Your business should have a turnover of at least 35 lakhs or have a strong growth potential. You should have a working product or service. You should have a year-on-year growth. You should be focused on job creation. You should have a solid team, innovation in your product or service or model, and your business should be ready to adapt or already using technology. Pure trading businesses or family extensions will not qualify. This is for original founder-led businesses and startups only.
From across Meghalaya, 25 startups will be shortlisted to pitch in the next round, and 5 will get a chance to represent the state at the Megapreneur Expo 2025.
We have built through struggle. Now let's build with support. Let's build Meghalaya.
Kakali jong pa Syiem Ferdinand Syiem Yong acting Syiem jong hima Nobosohphoh hagame jong ka arpusan trek unai luar arajar arpusan kala ing konglot kat ba kadang yang harut surok hagisnong rang blang hak district Southwest Khasi Hills. Upa Syiem Ferdinand Syiem Yong acting Syiem habakran hilat patai kubor ule tho bakane kam de kesian kebaning kong baya kakali ge ulale hagane gerukom de kibrio. Bat kani kene kesian ke baar ha ke bah kesian ke banding kong ke Runar ke 84 ikiat kali bat kani kesian ke bamenta ila Thang senon ke kali namar kata ulapan pau gejing sosi halor kene ke benta da ke bagentui kinu kidu gibreu ke belek kene ke kam bagi devan misha khamat ban kran syai ke kadau ke bagi lale akum kene ke kam hatu ladan kanu no gejing baklan ki kam hadu benda Thang senon ke kali laong shosho upa Syiem Ferdinand Syiem Yong u acting Syiem ka Nobosohphoh Syiem ship
Arta cio, pakai bantik, rumanang. Te menin cis nakari rangkat bat neu pasim. Te han nin jan met ngadi ban di simika di selaham kurat dan mantap pendekai ne. Te wan sa ne te mariawan ne rangkat bat neu kunum we. Te mariawan ne tengah wan cung chokai cung. La kai fan siu pung menong siu wan pamca maresnyo kali damet sibiang tengah vot kemoy mara kemoy kali kelak kemting nak kali dengan melak bandai ini kita
Karena baji atat rai.
ka porte kan ka jong ka phun la cha inglang na kali te ngam pe beje ni beje no ba ngam beje te antar ka por trai haki aruna kali ka kemting te mari so to kali ka yang mari mo nga kali ka kemting te nga shu hala ni prabarjam jan o to ke tasam to ka kali ka mari kemting ni kemot si phang abis bok lo na dengan ano mla le nom noi ya ti ka ting apa
Sejuk kong yang ke nong sat senang juga himat bos kok. Ni dap musik wakrau. Abang Iwan men ya kenduk ya Syiem. I begitu kejing jia menen. Kejing sak thang no akali jong u. Tingi peramjur ya kini ki breu keba lek kum kini ki jakam keba penpok ya ka hima. Namara kejing lek kum ne kalau ngajing sorem jungi kum ki nong kit kam senong kinong sat senong aba kidan kum gini kijing jia pol jong hima te karpat ki bor ba halor ba ki de ban sim khia kan ka banta ba ngin yu i ba ka long ka wan ra ka song suk sang kham tam ma liang yong Syiem ba kan don ka jing suk ka sim ka jong u la da don kum gini kijing jia halen jong acting Syiem ro odon la pedang kijing tu men sim ya kijing sensar ya ka hima sima ban pek ya kabah kametแต่เลี้ยงจุงกุมga senjuk gi nong sat senong ni paramjur ban kondem ya kum gini benta ba kin cia kum gini kin cia po jong ga hima ka jong ni
thì nghiêm tiếp xúc cái cả đâu thì cái gì chim kia trong Syiem mà ta cái gì bảo chang Bandung cắt tu cái đi cái rang ba trong cả hima bania perkat ni kini jinjia baro dia bersang bania perkat kata badru Syiem warai dekat ni kirang ba senong ka bagi la khot kerpang ro yang ni kum kirang ba juga sinjuk ru jong ka hima Nobosohphoh jip bala kumno ka dor bar hima ansa penlong jen haulu benai benwan te ka wei ka bangi kum ka khubor ka bangi pha hamne kalong bala kumno kini jingjia kim desu banjia nama kini jingjia kalau tik ba ibri kalau kiri klau tu dusman ka bala shu penjot ya kali da ka Thang ka kali kumto rapek ya kum ka dong ka Thang siu lap ang jingjia meringiu juga dong ka Thang nama kum ni jingjia nimjijia meno tang mentah kat ukri jong ka hima ka kali kat jong ukri jong ka hima la sa Thang kum to kane ka jing pendrem ka bajur ye ki ne ki Thang labong gede labong gede Thang senam makat ki kali la damio ya kali la mio yo briuru ban kediam ngas ngon ong ba kane ki barok jing jia ni pendrem jur la don ka jing bakla no Syiem haji syangi kesenjuk ngimdei mangi ni sya liang yo Syiem lane yano la to Syiem ule bakla bale kaktin utlit la de jing tho one se office Syiem welcome liang subha di bana Syiem no de ba penjot kata ni pendam juri kan ti ngas ong ba kum ubriu ba sencara po hima ula bendon ke jing bakla nang ni nang tai ni la pentik kata ti hendre tak we galong la kidon kido jinge Syiem na try uklohi bania keren bania pendek ye tak jinge jirwat iki snong gi thau haba sencara po joka hima ti ikerpat juru war keyboard joka angi ui balo le aban IFIR tingi kum kesenjuk ni siu berkerpat jur gi joka an bagi dia benar Thwet bah banda Syiem ikini gi briu bale kum gi kam nang bakanom kharoi lada bakla kani kinang kharoi nawi kopor siku kopor hap kadu om don Syiem shu ban syong hapo hima wan uwe uting wan sa weru un sa tinghi lada jia kumini jing jia lenter te om takata wat kirang ba snong ru isir ban sencara po snong lada om don snong om don hima om don disikosil ru bat kari bekajat ban riu juga ri khasi jengi kan sadu kan sadam tinas ngoban ong kum ka khubor ngapha ba ngakarpat jur ki bro joka an siu ba ban penong sgan penong security yo Syiem joka hima Nobosohphoh sip nang ba kanum don kano nandin nang ne sakmat